Hey guys, it's Bobby Legs, and welcome to another episode of Bobby Legs Loves Watches, and welcome to another unboxing video. Man, I am doing a lot of these unboxings lately, and it's just great, man. It's like Christmas almost every day when when the UPS truck or the USPS truck or the FedEx truck comes to my home and drops off a package, and it's just I am so grateful that I'm in this hobby and have made some great connections with other enthusiasts. Now this watch is coming from Ross Gallin, and Ross is a I guess he's like a dealer. He deals with some brands that you may not be too familiar with, or you may be familiar with. And this one right here, courtesy of him, is called, wait for it, Zenea. So I'm not really familiar with Zenea, but a couple of the other watch enthusiasts, watch YouTuber creators were part of this group. Chris from the Watch Lounge, James over from the Great Gambino channel, and they asked me if I wanted to take a look at this, and I said sure. I have a relationship with Ross. I bought over a year and a half ago my Zenith El Primero from him when he was working for an AD, I believe down in by Charlotte. Wow, this is pretty interesting packaging here. This is this box here. It's like kind of like this nice I don't know, is it lacquered wood, and it has this metal type. Not really sure what it is. The material. I'm terrible with that kind of stuff, guys. But it says Xenia, and it has this looks like a dragon or a fish, or a mean looking dragonfish. Wow, interesting. Okay, here we go. Yeah. And so this is the Zenea um, Hornet, Ocean Hornet, I think it's called. And I'll have obviously the name on the title of the video. But this is a dive watch, and look at this. Wow, this, I could tell already this clasp is pretty neat. Look at this clasp. Probably has that probably extends somewhat, but I am not going to try to figure it out now. Let's put this on wrist. Wow, this is a good looking watch. I mean, that yellow is pretty awesome. Awesome colored dial, yeah, and that red seconds hand, swordfish hands, a little date window by the 3 o'clock. That is pretty cool, I must say. It looks like it has some sort of micro extension. Oh, there we go. Yeah, awesome. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Love those. Wow, check out that case back, man. That's just the same as the top of this watch box that it came in. Raised like a relief. Wow, that is pretty cool. Let's check out the bezel action right off the bat. Very nice. Yeah, no complaints. Pretty good. Line it up. Does it line up? Yeah, yeah. It's just a habit because of all the Seikos that I've that I've owned and played with in the past. Pretty cool H-link bracelet. Wow, this looks not too thin, not too thick. It's a decent, probably around 12 mil, maybe a little bit more. This is a really cool looking watch. Yeah, I look forward to doing this review. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. And like I said, the review, I look forward to doing it, and I'll see you guys in the next video.